This is how you get an IELTS Band 7 Plus. In IELTS, spelling is not optional. If you spell a word wrong, you lose band scores. Let's fix the 20 most common mistakes. Number 1, accommodation. This is wrong. Accommodation. 2 C's, 2 M's. Number 2, environment. Wrong. Environment. Don't forget the N. Number 3, government. Wrong. Government. Keep the N in the middle. Number 4, business. Wrong. Business. I comes before you here. Number 5, development. Wrong. Development. No extra E. Number 6, adduction. Wrong. Education. You need the A. Number 7, informaton. Wrong. Information. Don't drop the I. Number 8, technology. Wrong. Technology. You need the H. Number 9, management. Wrong. Management. Keep the E. Number 10, communication. Wrong. Communication. Double M. Now the ones that destroy your listening score. Address. Wrong. Address. Double D. Double S. Separate. Wrong. Separate. There is an A in the middle. Available. Wrong. Available. A VA. Necessary. Wrong. Necessary. 1C, 2S. Different. Wrong. Different. Double F. Now everyday words people still get wrong. Experience. Wrong. Experience. ENCE. Restaurant. Wrong. Restaurant. Don't skip letters. Interest. Wrong. Interest. Say it fully. Station. Wrong. Station. Simple, but often wrong. Schedule. Wrong. Schedule. Spelling matters, not pronunciation. If you fix these words, you stop losing easy marks, and that alone can push you to Band 7. Subscribe to IELTS Education 25 for band score upgrades.